Hello guys, welcome back to Pro Web Coder. So in our previous video, we installed our app into our local development environment, and it's up and running, and it's just with the basic template of Remix. So in today's video, well, basically, what our agenda would be is to define what functionalities we need for our app. So basically, what I did was I changed the name of our app to be Store Essentials, because this is going to be a uh, full-fledged app, Shopify app, which might have all the features or multiple extensions, due to which you would be able to create, or you might have get you might have more knowledge of how to create an app or how to create the theme app extensions. So in this whole we would be creating in this app, we would have extensions like announcement bar, trust batches, upsells, free shipping upsell, sticky add to cart, preloader, countdown timer, like pop-ups, discount upsell, etc. So there are a lot of stuff which I've already written down, which we can use. We can also use gift wrapping, GDP, GDPR cookie banner. So I'll I'll cover few of them, because this is going to be a full-fledged app. I would be deploying it in Shopify, and I would be deploying it while we are over here. So uh, what I'll do is I'll create few theme app extensions, and I'll put that in my channel, and simultaneously you can also create multiple theme app extensions to what you think can be applied in Shopify. So yeah, this sounds like fun. So let's get started without wasting any time. So in order to create a theme app extension, what we have to do is basically, I already created it in the backend, but I'll delete this so that it's so let's create a theme app extensions once again. So I'll just create it once again. So yeah, let's create a theme app extension. So in order to create a theme app extension, we can follow the guide from Shopify. So let's see what we have in the guide of Shopify of how to create theme app extension. So we can follow the simple guide. So let's see. You can follow this guide by just going to Shopify dev, and under the documentation you can follow this guide, which says uh, Shopify app generate theme app extension. So we can just simply click on this, and what it will do is it will create a theme app. It will create an extension folder over here. So what kind of extension I need? I need to create a theme app extension over here. So we scroll down. There are a lot of extensions. So there are uh, different extensions which we would be covering in our tutorials. That is for members only. So I'll cover that in members only tutorials. But yeah, I can create a theme app extension over here. So let's create a theme app extension. What would be the name of the theme app extension? So let's name it as Store Essentials. And so we see this extension folder is being created, and we have this extensions, and we can just simply check what all blocks. These are some um, blocks which are being provided by Shopify itself. So yeah, let's check the documentation again, because in their documentation I also saw something very interesting, which was let's see. because they had their uh, GitHub show something about how to use, like, let's see, uh, theme app extension Shopify GitHub. Just search for this and you'll see theme app extension getting started. And in this, what you'll see is certain blocks. You see this app block, then you see app embed block, and then you'll see conditional app block. So these all would be really helpful in creating your app. Basically, if you follow these steps over here, like whatever steps they have provided, you can simply create. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this. And probably what I'll do is I'll download this whole thing instead of copying this. So I'll download this and I'll extract this. And what I'll do is I'll simply copy whatever information they have provided. All right, and I'll go step by step, because this is going to be a very useful tutorial for you. And I'll paste it in our, I'll copy the asset part of that thing which I downloaded. So I put it over here, and then um, I copy the block part which was there. I copy the blocks part and paste it over here. And then I also copied the snippet part which was there. I paste it over here. All right. With that done, let's see what we have got over here. All right. So, but before doing anything over here, let's see what we have in our app itself. So let's refresh this. By default, in our app, in our app, a theme extension would work in a way that if we click on customize, and what our app does over here is, let's see, the app blog is available for sections. So we can try this in sections. So let's try this in our section. So we are not seeing anything over here. Now let's do one thing. Let's restart the server, because we have uploaded some files. So we'll have to restart the server. So we can restart the server by just typing npm run dev. All right. First we close the server and then we can restart the server. So we write npm dev and npm run dev. All right. So yes. Okay. What it will do is it will push the extension first, so that it's available in the theme. See, it's pushing the theme app extension files so that it's available on our host, which is this host. So if I refresh it, it's not yet available, but soon it would be available. All right. So let's see if it's being pushed 20%. Let's see if it is available now. It will not be available until it's 100%. So we'll have to wait again. It's 100%. So it's all pushed up. Now, if I refresh this, I should be able to see the theme app extension available. All right. So let's see if we have a theme app extension available or not. So if it is not available, let's refresh this over here. Okay, let's check if it is available. It's not available yet. So what can be wrong over here? So let's see. We see this is a target is a section. The templates which are in which it is available is product and index. Basically it's not coming up over here. Let's try it in our product page, because it should be available in the product page. All right, so let's see if it is available in the product page. So we see 11 app available. So if we scroll down, we see this image gallery, which is exactly what we wanted. And now we have this cute looking image gallery coming up. Now how this thing works, let me show it to you. So what they have done is they have just created a very simple short gallery, and it's just like sections. So if you're aware how to use the section, you should be able to figure it out, that how these things are related. So in this, instead of section, we name it as block. So we name it as block. We can name it as block, and then uh, the inner parts are always block.settings dot image 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. And same goes for the text thing. So it's very similar to the sections. The only thing is we name it as a block over here, and inside there we can also call a JavaScript or a style sheet. Also, if you see, there are options in which we can apply a condition, so that this thing would only appear, this app would only appear if we have app.metafields.sample app and this feature. This I'm going to cover in the next video. But yeah, just just to let you know, we can also apply certain conditions. So if we want to give certain features to some of our customers, some premium features to some of our customers, so in that case we can apply a condition that if that meta field is enabled, we'll do one thing. We can create a condition in the backend. Whenever we click a button or somewhat like this, if we click on a button like this, and this should generate this meta field, and once this is generated, then they can basically, they are able to see this app. So this is for that purpose. So this code is for that purpose. And then the app embed block is basically, it's just uh, embedding it to the top. So we can target it in the body. So we can just go over here, settings, and in the app embed block we see this party thing. So this is the app embed block. So for app embed block, we can use target as body or head or compliance head. So if we write something else, so if I write heads, so intentionally I wrote it wrong to show it to you that what options are available. So you see the target we can apply is head, body, compliance head, section. So these are the four things we can apply, or possibly there are more, but no, there are only four. So we can apply it onto these parts only. So we can apply it on compliance head. So I'll apply it on head. Head means it would be applied on the head part, but usually I'll need it in the body part, so I'll use it in the body part only. All right, so hope you understood what theme app extensions are and how we can utilize the theme app extensions. In this video you also learned how to use the theme app extension GitHub part. So you can use it for creating new things out of it. So you can just check these so that you are aware about how to use the theme app extensions, what are the features we can use with the theme app extensions, and how we can apply different conditions with the theme app extensions. So I'll create or I'll be covering lot other part, and we would be creating more and more parts of the theme app extensions in our next video. Until then, I would request you to try these things, and yeah, possibly I'll be creating more and more sections, and more and more theme app extensions, and finally pushing or publishing it to Shopify theme app, like app store, and yeah, making it public. So lots and lots to come in the upcoming tutorials. So stay tuned, and that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.